energy that is all around us and helps. Today, we will learn about an energy that is all around us and helps us to see the world, that is light. Children, can you see the things kept in this dark room? Probably
Sir,
not.
we can.
Hey, now it is visible. Now we can see the things in this room. It is all because of the presence of light. But what is light? Light is a kind of energy which is detected by human eye and is produced by different sources.
Please make a note also in between. Light is a kind of energy, right? Light is a
Yes, sir.
form of energy.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
The sun, stars, fire, lamp, candle, and lightning are the various sources of light. Can you tell how we are able to see the things around us? Well, as soon as the light from the source falls on the object, it bounces off from its surface and enters our eyes. This is how we see things. This is called reflection of light. Law of reflection states that when the ray of light strikes the plane surface, it returns in the same medium with change in angle. An easy example of reflection is when we look in a mirror. We see an image of ourselves reflected back. Have you ever seen reflections in water? Actually, the surface of water also acts like a mirror and changes the direction of light that falls on it. So, we see reflections in water. We can see many examples of reflections in our everyday life. Remember, any shiny or polished surface can act like a mirror and change the direction of light that falls on it.
So what we have learned now,
Reflection of light.
we have studied about light. Light is a form of energy. Any polished surface or smooth surface or shiny surface, it acts like a mirror.
Yes.
What mirror does? Mirror will reflect the light which is incoming, then same thing will be reflect, means it becomes outgoing. If light is coming from one optical medium, we'll discuss in detail what is the meaning of optical medium. If the light comes from one optical medium and it is being returned in the same medium, then it is called reflection.
Sir, can you once repeat?
I will explain. Sometime we will understand optical medium first. Optical medium. What is optical medium, beta? Optical means wherever optical word is there, you go to the any
Sir, related to eye.
any
or
shop.
It is
Yeah.
related
So
to
there you
visual
will
and
find like
seeing.
optical center and all, it will be mentioned. Optics. So optical means related to the light.
So it means like the light, it's the source of which light propagates.
Yeah, medium means it is a material medium. It is a kind of a material. So optical medium means through which light can pass. What can we define? Through which light can pass. For example, can we say water is an optical medium?
Yes, sir, we can say.
Yes, sir.
Air
Yes,
also?
sir.
Can we say glass Transparent glass.
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Can light pass through iron?
No,
No,
sir.
sir.
No, sir.
No, sir, it reflects
Bricks.
if it is shiny, sir, or smooth.
No, sir.
No, sir, it is not.
So here your answer should be no. These are the no. Water, yes. Air, yes. Glass, yes. So they are called optical medium.
Sir,
Yes, beta.
sir, even water reflects light, no, sir?
Water reflects, but I will come back to that also.
When the water is still.
So what was my question? If the light falls on the shining, this is called shining. Shining surface. So what happens if light falls here? If suppose this side is air, in the same medium, if it is being returned, this side also air, right? In the same medium it is being returned. This is called a reflection. Your incoming and outgoing is in the same medium. Is it clear of reflection?
Sir, is it possible like two rays of the light are falling on any object and one or three are getting reflected?
I will come back to one by one. Please understand the definition of reflection. What is the definition of reflection? Bouncing back in the same medium. Example, if you play a football or ball, what happens if you drop on the ground? Again it's bounce back. Bouncing back in the same medium is called reflection. Is it clear for everyone?
Yes, sir.
There is no problem now. What is called reflection? What is called optical medium?
Yes, sir.
Okay. One more video I'll be playing now.
Okay,
Eyes
sir.
enable us to see the things around us.
Sir, sir, will you share these notes in the classroom after the completion of the lesson?
Beta. Of course, I will see. Definitely I will share to you all.
The last
can-
lesson notes then.
The fiction and sound lesson notes?
It has been not shared.
No, sir.
sir.
No, sir.
Only
Okay,
quotes
okay.
and presents.
I will today itself I'll share in front of you all.
Okay, sir.
So now you are able to see the screen now.
Yes, sir.
Okay, please see this now.
It is the eye which enables us to see the things around us. But have you ever thought how we are able to see the things around us? The visual capability
Who will say like how we are able to see the things?
Sir, may I tell?
Sir, what did you ask again?
Except Shahu, other people may speak. How are we able
Sir,
to
what
see?
did you?
Excuse me, sir. Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
So, from the past 3-4 minutes, I just had a internet issue. I left and joined again. So, what
Yeah,
did you tell after the video?
Just you see please here now we have started a small video now. How are we able to see the
Sir,
things?
shall I say the answer? Akash.
Akash, okay Akash.
Sir, started.
Sir, we can easily say that we can see things around us because of our light. When light emits our retina and it transfers our retina to brain so that we can see the objects around us.
Very good. So please look at here now this videos.
of humans is the effect of the composite relations of light, eyes, and brain. We are able to see because when light from the source falls on an object, it gets reflected in all the possible directions. And when same reflected light reaches our eye, we are able to see that object. Once light reaches our eyes, signals are sent to our brain, and our brain interprets the information in order to detect the appearance, location, and movement of the objects we are sighting at. Without the light, there would be no sight.
So through videos, some clarity has come. How are we able to see the object? We are able to see the object because first of all, light should be present. Now question is, how do we see an object? So our answer should be light must be present, right? Next, what else? Light must be present. Then
The reflected light should fall in our eyes.
eyes should also be present.
The
Without
light must
not
reflect.
see.
Human brain should be there.
And whatever object,
Brain, sir?
suppose light is everywhere, are we able to see everywhere? No. Now wherever you
Sir,
are,
I gave the answer.
wherever you are, you can see near around everywhere light is there, but are you able to see everything?
No, sir.
Right now you are seeing your laptop or mobile only, your backside or side by
It is
side,
visible only we can see, sir.
because reflected light, whatever the reflection comes to our eyes, those objects only we are able to see. So
Sir, we can even see our sides now, sir, when we are seeing.
sorry,
So when we are seeing the laptop, we can even see the sides now, sir, a little.
no, my question is, whatever the light is present everywhere, but we are able to see only those objects
Sir,
which
which is visible to the reflections which are visible.
Which reflects back into our eyes.
yes. So we can say the object which reflects the light, which reflects and falls on the eyes. Understood? If light is,
Yes,
if
sir.
the object is not reflecting, suppose the object is not reflecting, what will happen? Can we see that object?
No, sir, we cannot.
Now question is, if the object is not reflecting, then can we see the object? This is my question. Please reply me privately. Reply me privately. Okay, everyone is saying no, sir. Very good. You all are smart actually. We cannot see because if light is, it is not being reflected, we cannot see. So your answer should be no. Very good. So to see the any object, it is mandatory like the light must be present and eye must be present, and the object to which you are going to see, object must reflect the light, and those reflection must fall on our eyes. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes or no? Yes sir, no
Yes,
sir.
sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Next, we are going to understand about one more thing. I'm going to explain light. What is light?
It is in a form of energy which is
energy.
into our eyes.
which is detected by human eye.
Very good. I will tell some information. Please understand. Light is a form of energy. It is a form of energy. Anything else?
Which can
Anything
be
else?
detected from our human eyes.
Is visible
It
to all.
is an, please understand, it is an electromagnetic. What I said? Electromagnetic rays. What I said? It is an electromagnetic rays. Electromagnetic means what? Rays oblique wave, you can say. What is the meaning of electromagnetic? Electromagnetic is nothing but there must be electric field and magnetic field perpendicular to each other, through which whatever rays are being produced, whatever waves are being produced, that is called electromagnetic wave. In that, please understand, little brief insight I am giving. Electromagnetic means where electric field, magnetic field, both are perpendicular to each other. Perpendicular means 90 degree. And wave motion, whatever wave has been generated, wave motion must be perpendicular to all the two. Must be perpendicular to both electric field and magnetic field. Very important actually, very powerful learning. I am telling, this is you have to learn in intermediate, but as an information I have passed to you. Electromagnetic rays are produced in presence of electric field as well as magnetic field. Both are perpendicular to each other, and the motion, wave motion, should be perpendicular to both. So what happens? You take out your finger, three fingers, thumb, index finger and middle finger. You can make perpendicular to each other, all the three. Can you make perpendicular to each other? All perpendicular to each other, can you make it? Anyone just show me your videos? Tracy, Jasmita, can you just show your finger, all three fingers perpendicular to each other? Perpendicular to each other, no. Take thumb, index finger and middle finger, index finger and middle finger. Yes, between these three combination, try to make perpendicular, means 90 degree, make angle 90 degree to each other.
Sir, can you see mine?
Yeah, you have made two, but third one is where perpendicular to each other. I'm telling.
So it cannot happen, sir.
Very good.
It
Vishnu,
will not stretch.
Vishnu,
Sir, it cannot happen.
look at everyone to Vishnu. Yes, Akash, Satvik has also made. Perpendicular to each other means two. You consider electric field as one direction, magnetic field in another direction. So third direction will be wave. Light is a part of electromagnetic wave. Very good, Satvik. Got it. Hope you all have understood better.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Understood.
sir.
Yes, sir.
So the light will be between the these two waves, right, sir?
No, light is being produced because there are two fields actually. Electric field, both field must be present actually. Both field must be present. Next point, wherever you talk about electromagnetic waves does not require any medium to travel. So what I told, it does not require any medium to travel. Means, if my question is, can it travel without medium also? Your answer should be yes.
Yes.
It can travel without medium also. So if I ask the question, can light travel without medium?
Yes.
Your answer
Yes,
should
it can.
Next question. Please reply me. Can sound travel without medium? Please reply me privately.
Sir, did you ask sound or light?
Next question is sound. Please reply me privately. Can sound travel without medium? So fastest answer who has replied? I don't understand. Somebody has said yes, no, 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 yes. Vishnu had told yes, and rest other members no. Okay, my question was, can sound travel without medium? Krishna, now did you listen the question? Can sound travel without medium?
Sir, that when you explain sound, I was not there, sir.
No, just my question, simple question. Sound you are able to, we are discussing, no? You are listening my sound, I am listening your sound. Can sound travel without medium? Simple guess, yes or no? There are two options, 50-50. We are playing KBC like. You are on hot seat now.
No, sir.
So answer should be no. Sound cannot travel without medium. We have understood.
Sir, both for sound and light we can know
Vibrate
from
actually.
space, because
Sir,
from
because
space
because
sunlight
sound
comes,
medium,
but on
sir,
moon we can't hear any sound.
I understand, Shahu, you are excited to explain. Akash is excited to explain, but one by one, we have to follow one rule. If someone is speaking, by default, you should keep yourself muted. Okay? Otherwise, it will become fish market. We will not understand. Yes, Akash, what you are telling? Akash. Okay. Shreya, you have raised hand, beta. Shreya.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah,
I
please
just
tell.
wanted to explain this.
Okay. So you have understood now?
Yes, sir. I understood.
Krishna, have you understood, beta? Sound means medium must be present, medium vibration.
Yes, sir.
Sound travels because of medium vibration. So if there is no medium, sound cannot travel.
Yes, sir.
So light travels. How light travels?
Sir, is there an experiment to prove that sound cannot travel without medium?
Bell jar experiment. There is a bell jar experiment. In bell jar experiment, what was done? From there what was done in bell jar experiment? It was connected a bell through batteries, and air was present. Once the bell was ringing, sound was we were able to listen from outside. But what happened? Through vacuum, you have created a vacuum. There is no air inside. So what happens? Same,
Yes, sir, we cannot.
but outside people were unable to listen that. Okay, so we are going to discuss about law of reflection. This law of reflection is very, very important. There are how many law of reflection?
3.
2 law. 1 law and this is second law. First law is what? That will be common for even refraction also. First law is, we will learn each and every part, we will understand the technical terms. Incident ray. Listen carefully. Incident ray. Reflected ray.
Are in the same angle, on the same plane.
And normal.
Yes, sir.
3 things I told. Incident ray, reflected ray and normal. All lies in the same plane.
Sir, what is normal?
Lies on the same plane.
It is a line perpendicular to the interface.
I will explain. One by one, every term we will learn. What is the meaning of that? Incident ray, reflected ray, normal. What is called incident ray? I am going to explain.
Sir, the angle of incidence
the
will
ray
be
which
equal to
strikes
angle
the
of reflection.
Those terms.
So the ray which strikes at the interface, sir.
This is called a polished surface. This is called polished surface.
polished.
Sir, it's commonly named as dash.
This surface is called reflecting surface. Once you polished, other part will become reflecting. Polished surface is non-reflecting surface. Next, we are going to discuss about light has fallen on this polished surface, on reflecting surface I mean. And what happens? It will get reflected. So this ray is known as, this particular ray is known as incident ray.
Sir, the ray which strikes on the point of incidence is known as.
This ray is known as incident ray. How to know like this is called incident ray? If the ray is falling, which is coming or which is approaching to the reflecting surface, is called incident. It is incidenting. It is falling. The falling ray is called incident ray. This ray is called a reflected ray. Reflected ray means which the ray which goes outside of the from the reflecting surface. This arrow mark only defines you which is incident, which is reflected. Is it clear? Incident and reflected. Whenever
Yes,
you are
sir.
showing incident and reflected, arrow must be present. Without arrow, there is no meaning of incidence and reflected.
Yeah, sir.
Third part comes as a normal. Normal I will explain separately. Anything polished surface you are taking, another part will be called reflecting surface. This surface, from the surface, if you draw a perpendicular line which makes 90 degree to that surface, this line is called normal.
Sir, it
No.
divides the angle
Or
between
is it
the
a line
incident
or
ray.
a ray?
Yes, sir. It divides the angle between the reflecting ray and the incident.
Normal, is it clear now? Normal will be always
Yes, sir. It is
perpendicular
clear.
to the reflecting surface. Normal means always perpendicular to the reflecting surface. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
So
Sanskrit
that
you
90,
understand? One
so
by one.
that 90 degrees line
One by
you brought,
one.
sir.
One by one. Satvik, you have raised hand. Please ask me.
Yes, sir. That 90-degree line you brought now, sir. Is it a ray?
Ray, there is no ray, beta. Normal, perpendicular. To that, I have shown what is called normal. Normal means always it will be perpendicular to the reflecting surface. There are infinite normals. How many normal you can draw on this reflecting surface? Infinite.
Infinite, sir.
Okay.
Sir,
Hand. One by one. Those who have raised hand, I am going to address.
Sir,
Yes.
sir, I wanted to ask whether the incident ray and the reflected ray and the normal are striking are on the same point, right, sir?
Normal are, I told, normal are infinite. So you can make a normal wherever it is incidenting. Okay?
Yes, sir. We
Vishnu?
can take normal.
Yeah, Shahu?
Understood.
Raise hand.
sir, if the light ray falls along the normal, then normal will be only the normal reflected ray and the
Very
incident ray,
good.
no?
Yes, we will discuss that point also. Now, 3 points I wanted to discuss: incident ray, reflected ray, and normal. Anyone is having doubt in these 3 points? No. So we have made it clear. Second law is, we are going to discuss about second law. Second law is angle I equals to angle R. I equals to R. See how simple it is. Second law is I equals to R. Now what is I, what is R, we are going to discuss. You wanted to know what is I, what is R?
So is it
Sir,
incident?
incident ray, reflected ray.
Incident
Yes,
ray is
sir.
I and R is the reflecting ray.
No,
So-
beta, no,
Sir,
no.
angle of reflection and angle of
I
incident.
is called angle of, I means incidence.
So
Incident.
if you see from the normal, sir, both the
R
angles
is
of
the angle of
Angle
reflection.
of reflection. Very good.
both the angles of the incident and the reflecting ray will be same, sir. If it is
Very
if you
good.
see from normal.
So what happens if suppose any light falls? Listen carefully, otherwise you'll make mistake every time. If any rays falls, so what happens? Where it is falling, immediately one virtual line, perpendicular line, you have to draw in your mind itself. This line, perpendicular. This is called normal actually. Understood?
Is the normal.
And
Understood, sir.
next what happens?
A ray of reflection.
Both same angles.
You
Both
understood?
are same angles. Yes, sir, understood.
I'm naming this is 1,
Yes, sir.
2, this is 3. What are those? One is what? Incident ray,
Incident ray, normal,
reflected ray.
ray of reflection.
Now I'm going to discuss about what is called I. I is angle of incidence. Where to find
Angle between 1 and 2.
Yes, sir.
Between
between 1 and
normal. Always please understand. Always
Incident
please
ray and a normal.
if I'm speaking, no need to be smart in speaking in between. Please, I'm repeatedly telling. If you say, I will mute forcefully. If you speak, other student may not understand. Please understand those things. Let everyone to understand. I is the angle between normal and incident ray. Always angle will be between normal and incidence, you say, so incident ray. Reflection, you say, angle of reflection means normal and reflected ray. So your I will be, this angle is called I and this angle is called R. Everyone please make a note. So this I equals to R. Anyone is having doubt, please get it clarified. Dhatri, you are silent, you are not speaking at all. I have warned you, you have to speak. Get your doubt clarified. Next, let me check who are the silent person. Zoya, madam, you have not spoken at all. You are always performing better, so I don't have any problem with you.
Sir, actually, I'm not at home today.
Okay, okay, no problem. If you are able to understand, it's okay. Next, Likhita, you are silent. You are senior most student. You are silent. Why? Dhatri, Likhita, Krishna, Aditya. You are also silent, beta. You are able to understand?
Yes.
If I say, is it clear? So, Krishna, Aditya, Dhatri, and
Yes.
Likhita, 3 members have to confirm. Yes, sir. Then only I will move ahead.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So, one question we will do now. Once again, before proceeding to that, we will understand both law. Law of reflection, how many laws are there? 2 laws.
2 laws.
Whenever you forget law of reflection, remember carom board. I think everyone would have played carom board.
Yes, sir.
Remember a carom board. What you do in carom board, suppose this is a carom board, right? This corner, this corner, this corner, this corner, right? You are keeping a striker here now. Suppose you wanted to hit anything. The coin is suppose here. So what you will do? You will make some angle so that it should get inside. So what you do actually, and now reverse, if you wanted to take in the reverse, if you wanted to drop here, so what will happen? You will hit like this, right?
Yes.
So whenever you are hitting, what you make sure your hitting part, this is also in one plane, returning is one plane. Both are in same plane, no? Or you hit striker to play in the air also. Some of you might be so smart to play in the air also, but that will be not counted actually. You will be out of the game. So whenever carom you are playing, you have to hit on the same plane. So incident, reflected, and the normal. By default, one normal will be drawn here, and normal, all three has to be same plane. This is called rule number 1, law number 1. Is it okay for you all? Dhatri, Krishna,
Yes, sir.
and Likhita madam, you have to confirm yes sir. Rule number 2, angle I equals to angle R. Hope it is clear. Again silent.
Yes,
You
sir.
people have to speak maximum, otherwise. Okay, we are going to do the question now. Are you ready for that?
Sir, if I and R are
Sir, should
equal,
we
then
respond?
One question I am giving now. Please reply me privately. This is 40 degree. Find I and R. Reply me privately. Fast. Find I and R. Top 5 members. I'm going to name top 5 members. And Sahu has replied fastest. You are right, Sahu. After that, Zoya. No. Navya, second fastest. Navya, you are right. Zoya, right. Jasmita, wrong. Krishna Aditya, you are right, beta. Good. Vishnu, right. That's all. Dhatri, Likhita.
Yes, sir.
See, once I have told your name, definitely I am going to see your answers. I am happy, Krishna Aditya. You are performing better.
Thank you, sir.
Still, even after I have taken your name, but you have not replied. Dhatri and Likhita, madam. I'm not happy. Jasmita, wrong. Shriya, right. Ashrita, wrong.
Sir, who are the top 5?
Ashrita, wrong.
Sorry. Excuse me, sir.
Yes, Shriya.
So sorry for replying late. Actually, my tablet is really slow today. The internet issues, so it didn't.
Okay. No problem, Shriya. Madam Likhita and Dhatri. Shresi, you are wrong.
Sir, I kept my answer long before. Did you check my answer?
Pallov, कहाँ है पल्लव आपका आंसर बेटा? No, I could not get your answer. Have you sent to somebody else? Check
No,
up.
sir. I will send again.
Okay. This is not correct at all. Likhita and Dhatri, if you are not getting, you have to write IDK. IDK. This word you have to write so that I will understand. I don't know. Hello, you are right. Dhatri, you are wrong. Likhita, madam, you are. If you are not aware, right,
correct.
okay. Now Please understand, everyone have to reply. If I notice, then I'm not going to leave. Please understand what I told. Angle I, it has to be replied by Dhatri. Dhatri, what is angle I, beta?
The answer, can you once check?
Wait, Dhatri madam, what is angle I? Please speak out.
It's incident ray, sir.
I is?
Incident ray.
No, it is not ray. Here itself I have mentioned, no? I is what? Angle of incidence.
Angle of incidence.
Not ray. Please understand, there is a difference between ray and angle. And angle of incidence, how do you measure? From where to where, which two rays the angle will be formed? Incident ray and normal. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Where is the normal here? Now first we will try to draw a normal. Can we draw a normal like this? Yes. If it is 40 degree, this will be how much, Dhatri?
90 minus 40.
Let Dhatri to speak. Nobody else. Dhatri.
Yes, sir.
50 degree.
90 to 50 degrees.
Okay. This will be how much, Dhatri? This is I, right? And this is
Yes.
R. Both should be equal. So I equals to R equals to 50 degree.
Yes, sir. R is equal to also 50.
Is it clear, Dhatri, Likhita, and those who have made mistakes? Shreyasi, Ashrita, Jasmita, is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Madam
Sir, before
Likhita,
I
you are
did 50
silent.
also divided by 2. That is why I got wrong.
Madam Likhita, you are silent. Have you understood?
Yes, sir.
Likhita, madam, I'm getting irritated. Likhita, please respond.
Just now, sir.
Okay, your sound is coming very less actually. I could not hear. Next question.
Sir, 2 minutes on the left, sir.
Okay, no problem.
Sir, I had a power cut just now, sir, so I left the class.
It's okay. It's okay. Some tough question I'm giving now.
Okay, sir.
This is 40 degree. Okay, not 40 degrees. We have done 40 degree question now. I'll make 45 degree. So please reply how much will be this angle. This angle, say I'm putting as a theta. Theta will be how much? Please reply. One second. In place of 45 degree, I am making this as a 30 degree. What would be this angle? Theta is how much? Please reply me privately.
Sir, Satvik is replying everyone plus
Sorry. I just now, sir, just now I left note, sir. That before I was in private chat, just now I joined, so I thought
Okay, no problem. And fastest answer was by Pallav. Those who have replied to everyone, I'm not going to tell about that. Pallav, you are wrong. Shresi wrong. Navya wrong. Jasmita wrong. Shahu wrong. Dhatri right. Very good. Super Dhatri. Likhita wrong. And Satvik wrong. Rishit wrong. Akash wrong. Jasmita right. Jasmita had also made mistake. Dhatri had made mistakes. These people have replied correctly. Shashra wrong. Zoya wrong. Shresi right. Shresi also made mistake previous time. And Satvik wrong. Vedika right. These questions are tricky. I am not giving easy questions. Apply your brain where you people are. आप लोग खाली पिज्जा खा करके रिप्लाई करेंगे तो देन गलत होगा. you have to eat almonds, dry fruits, fibrous fruits, then your answer will be correct. Shahu, you are right. Akash, we know. Arey beta, if you know, then you reply.
But actually, like I am saying that by mistakenly I clicked on everyone, so the message gone to everyone. So Ritik is saying that we have to reply privately. So I
Yes,
told
of
like,
course. No need to reply back. I know. Once you have made mistake, you have to say sorry. Palla, you are right. So I will tell Madam Dhatri, you have replied once I told right. You are replying now. It is wrong then. Are you guessing, Dhatri?
No, sir, you said wrong. I have listened like you have sent my answer as wrong. That's why
Right. You are the first ranker actually. Now for this question, you are the first ranker. I will tell you who are the
Sir,
first
can you
ranker.
please give more questions?
Dhatri first ranker, and then second ranker was Jasmita, third ranker was Shreyasi, fourth ranker was Vedika, fifth ranker Shahu we will not consider because already you have made mistakes. Okay, so how to solve these questions? Please understand beta, if this is 30 degree, this angle will also be 30 degree.
Sir, in
Yes or
math,
no?
we have one of these laws in maths also.
Yes, sir.
One of the law in the mathematics also.
Perpendicular
If this
lines.
is 30 degree, this will be how much? 60 degree. Come on, right angle triangle.
Yes, sir, 60 degree.
If this is 30, this will become how much? 60. If this is 60, so theta will be how much? 60 degree. Dhatri madam, you have solved like this only or just you have guessed?
Sir, I solved in different method, but it was correct only, sir.
Sir, I solved by the same method.
You can solve by any method, but approach
Sir,
should be
can you
correct.
please give more questions?
Some more question I'm going to give. Certainly, I will give some more question. Are you ready for that? Now,
Yes, sir.
application of mathematics I'm going to give. Are you ready for that?
Yes, sir.
Theta equals to 2x minus 10. Sir, you'll say you are teaching physics. Come on, what is this 2x minus 10?
Sir, time up after this. Can you end this?
Okay, beta, you are always looking at timer.
sir, is this only the question?
No.
Sir,
And this is beta.
Sir, after this I need to study, sir. That's why.
Theta plus beta equals to 90 degree. Theta plus beta. Theta plus beta. Beta is not beta. This is beta. Theta plus beta is 90 degree. Find x. Please reply me privately. Who can reply? Let me see. This is application of mathematics. Purely mathematics application in physics. Likhya. So fastest answer was by Pallav and it is wrong. Likhita wrong beta. Pallav Pallav genius beta. Pallav, you are right.
Sir, actually, first time the point missed by mistake in the keyboard.
Pallav, you are genius. Shreyasi wrong. Vedika right. Vedika got second rank. Krishna Ditya wrong beta. This is really I am looking for genius. And Pallav has proved himself. Vedika has proved herself. Who else? Your speed matters.
Sir, I don't know, sir.
No problem. If you don't know, you are here to learn those things. Zoya, third ranker. and Zoya has also proved as expected. Next rest other Ashrita madam, where are you? You are also right. Congratulations. Shriya, you have proved yourself also. Very good. I'm so happy. Now I'm going to explain. Please understand theta plus beta 90 degree and theta equals to beta only. So what happens?
Sir,
Can we
both
say
are equal, so we can
both are
say
equal?
2x.
So theta equals to, can we say 45 degree? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
That is
sir.
what? 2x minus
2x
10
equal to
equals to
45
45 degree. So 2x is how much? 55. So x is how much? 55 by 2. That's all.
Sir, I accidentally sent 17.5, sir, instead of 2.27.5.
Oh. Okay, good. So you could also solve. No problem. So hope you all would have understood how to solve these questions.
Yes, sir.
Sir, what is the third one?
Please solve fast. Find the value of x.
So can you repeat the question? I again had a power cut, sir. Just now.
He has written.
Question, it is
I
already
sent the
there, no?
answer, sir. I sent the answer. Sir, did you receive?
Yeah, I'm seeing that.
Sir, is it correct?
Okay, so fastest answer who had replied, let me check. Fastest answer was by Vedika, and it seems
Sir, did you receive mine,
may
Vishnu?
be right. After that, Shahu, and Shahu may be right. Akash wrong, Vishnu wrong, Zoya might be right, Shriya might be right, Pallav wrong,
Sir,
Jasmita.
might be means.
Because there is calculation involved. I have just like randomly I had given. Let me see how to solve this question. Please understand, if I am just trying to divide,
we can choose it as a linear pair and solve.
90 degree, right? So 2x plus 3x minus 5 by 2. This becomes half, right?
Yes, sir.
This
Yes, sir.
becomes 90 degree. Rest, if you have solved like this, your answer would be right. So it becomes 4x plus
Sir, we can do
3x.
it like 4x plus 3x minus 5 is equals to 180, no?
So 7x minus 5 equals to 180 degree. So 7x equals
So
to
185 upon
185.
7.
So x equals to how much? 185 by 7.
Sir, I gave it in decimal 26.4.
Okay. That is the reason I was telling might be right.
Yeah,
So
sir, yeah, sir.
through this method you are right.
Sir, even I give 26.4. But sir,
Even I
So
reset
x is
my
equal to
answer.
180 by 5, which is
Sir,
24.
26.4. Sir, 26.4.
Okay,
Yes, sir.
okay.